Are you interested in increasing your sales in Amazon? Meet SellerMetrics, a powerful tool that will help you boost your Amazon advertising and sales. Let us see what this great software is all about and discover a great deal for you and your business. SellerMetrics is a tool that helps you increase sales, decrease ACoS, and improve click-through rates. Can all be achieved by providing excellent Amazon PPC with advanced optimization and ranking features. In addition, the tool can assist in determining the areas of Amazon PPC campaigns that can underperform and make adjustments to improve performance in those areas. SellerMetrics can help you raise the bar for your Amazon PPC optimization by utilizing thousands of successful FBA sellers and automation tools that allow you to launch, optimize, and analyze your Amazon advertising campaigns to the finest details. Compared to other Amazon PPC agencies, SellerMetrics has a deeper understanding of how to sell products on Amazon, which is a crucial differentiator. Furthermore, this tool is designed to help you integrate your Amazon advertising strategies with the rest of your business operations to achieve optimal results. This includes being familiar with your product and keeping current on your business's operations. In addition, by conducting ongoing call analysis, you will gain a deeper comprehension of your operations and implement adjustments promptly, bringing you closer to achieving your objectives. You can also use sophisticated automatic bidding that works around the clock to ensure your bids are fully optimized following your ACoS goals. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Increase your sales in Amazon using SellerMetrics. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.